Stock is great, but let's be honest, custom is king, especially when you're riding in a Venom EV, which base models already come premium.
Today we're going to go over some of our most popular upgrades and accessories to make your cart uniquely yours.
Let's go!
Rain, wind, or mosquitoes with a grudge, these quality enclosures will keep you safe and dry no matter the weather.
Who needs doors with this kind of coverage? Although Venom EV comes standard with mods rims and 14-inch steel belt radial tires, you can customize them to match your cart or your mood.
And don't forget, Venom EV is the only manufacturer that offers mods rims and premium tires in every base model. This isn't just for bumps, this is bold. Things like painted brush guards add personality and protection at the same time.
And if you match it to your cart color, instant showstopper.
Roof trays, perfect for beach gear, Publix runs, or snacks. But let's be honest, mostly snacks.
And don't forget that Venom EV also provides storage covers. One can be ordered through your local Venom EV dealer. Alright, now you've seen some of our favorite Venom EV upgrades.
And now we want to hear from you.
Drop a comment of what accessories and upgrades you've done to your Venom EV or what brands you recommend.
And if you've got a totally tricked out ride, tag us. We want to see it.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for the next ride.